Here is another concept of the vehicle of the future that would leave Corbin Dallas without a job. After all, almost everyone will be able to fly in these pods on their own. In the future, an autopilot system will be added. And in case of problems, there is a parachute system. Technically, this is an eVTOL, an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, boasts 6 engines, 3 sets of batteries, and a triple-degree flight control system. The overall design can be summed up in the phrase the simplicity of the future. It's a comfortable vehicle without distracting elements, because the pod is also made to admire nature, and flying it to work is a real pleasure. Goodbye traffic jams, hello more hours of sleep. The concept was praised at the Design Intelligence Award. The team has already raised about $1.5 million in funding and reporting several orders. Expectation: the sneakers from Back to the Future reality CRYPTOKICKS sneakers, which may be even more interesting. They feature AI options for automatic lacing, accelerometers, haptic feedback, gesture control, and support for the Move to Earn system. Simply put, owners will be offered to perform different quests and be rewarded with cryptocurrency. The sneakers are charged wirelessly, and they also have an NFC chip just like bank cards and many smartphones. About 19,000 pairs of shoes are available. They come in 4 colors and prices go from $450 to $1,333. However, only buyers from the US can buy them because of laws regarding the selling of these types of products. Deliveries will start in May of this year. Next, an armored submarine inspired by Greek mythology, it's called Kronos, is suitable for both civilian and military markets. The specifications are as follows: a capacity of 11 people, a maximum underwater speed of 50 km per hour and a surface speed of 80 km per hour, a maximum diving depth of 250 meters, a 1200 horsepower diesel-electric engine, and adaptive lighting, air conditioning, and slots for torpedoes. The design is simple. The man's array-shaped submarine uses less energy when submerged, is more stable, and saves fuel at the moment. The team is taking orders. The estimated cost is $1.5 million. We have no idea who they're building this crazy machine for, analysts frankly admit. Hydrogen power has been in and out of the zeitgeist several times over, mainly due to infrastructure and technological constraints. The authors of this concept note, but what if instead of petrol and electric engines everyone invested in hydrogen engines? This concept could become a reality. It's a motorcycle that runs on hydrogen. The design started with the transmission, and only then they moved to the other parts that made it possible to achieve both ease of setup and a rather unusual design. In addition, hydrogen is very environmentally friendly, making the vehicle even trendier. In addition, this chemical element is the most common in the universe, so hydrogen power is much more promising than we think, the authors conclude. Let's see what France has to offer. French experts showed a stealth ship concept at the EURONAVAL 2022. The exhibition, she's called Blue Shark, and according to her creators, this is how warships will look in the future. 3 features stand out. In particular, several holes at once, low observable technology like in stealth planes, and eco-friendliness. About 20 technologies will help reduce CO2 emissions by about half compared to an ordinary frigate. The ship will also carry all kinds of unmanned vehicles like aerial, underwater, and surface drones, and the main weapons will be missiles, but they don't specify which ones or how many. Now some figures: the ship is 160 meters long, about 37 meters wide, and has a displacement of 5,500 tons.